Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon, and let me give you a quick real-time update. Today we're diving into some exciting news from the Pi network. The Pi App Studio has just rolled out some major updates, and trust me, you'll want to hear about these. They're all about making app creation more accessible, more customizable, and more deeply integrated into the entire Pi ecosystem. Let's break down what's new. First up, a huge convenience improvement. Easier access on Pi desktop. The Pi App Studio is no longer hidden away in the Utilities tab. Now you can find it directly on the top navigation bar, right next to the Pi Mining app and the node. This is a fantastic change that puts development front and center, making it quicker and simpler for anyone to jump in and start creating. It's a clear signal that the core team wants more of us building on the platform. Next, and this is where it gets really cool, is the expanded AI-assisted customization. The developers have seriously beefed up the AI features. Now, whether you're building a chatbot or a custom app, you can use AI to generate a unique logo. Imagine that. No more struggling with design software. Just let the AI create a professional-looking logo for your project. But that's not all. If you're creating a chatbot, you can now generate AI-powered welcome messages. This helps you make a great first impression with your users from the moment they open your app. The App Studio also supports further AI-assisted editing for both chatbots and custom apps. This means you can keep tweaking and improving your creation directly within the workflow. It is all about giving you the power to refine your app while keeping the creative process smooth and flexible. Moving on, we have enhanced discovery and staking integration. There's a brand new interface for discovering apps right inside the App Studio. This is huge for both users and creators. As a user or a pioneer, you can now explore, vote on, and even stake your Pi on community-built apps that you believe in. This creates a direct way to support the projects you love. For creators, this is a goldmine. The apps showcased in this new interface act as a source of inspiration. You can see what types of apps are popular, what's gaining traction, and what the community is genuinely excited about. It provides a real-world reference point to guide your own development journey. It's a feedback loop that will help the best apps rise to the top. And to tie it all together, the team is focused on improved organization and interface. To make everything easier to navigate, creators can now assign specific categories to their apps. These categories will be displayed in the ecosystem interface within the Pi browser. This is a simple but powerful change that will dramatically improve how pioneers browse and find the apps they are looking for. No more endless scrolling, you can go straight to the category that interests you. They've also refined the chatbot UI formatting. This means chatbots will be easier to read and more pleasant to interact with, leading to a better user experience overall. And for anyone new to the platform, a demo video for the App Studio has been added to the front page. This serves as a perfect visual introduction and a quick start guide, lowering the barrier to entry for aspiring creators. So what does all this mean? Together, these updates solidify Pi App Studio's position as a powerful AI-assisted hub for building apps within the Pi ecosystem. Each one of these improvements, from easier access to AI logos, from staking to better organization, contributes to a more connected, functional, and participatory network. The goal is clear: to empower creators like you and me to easily build, refine, and share applications that expand Pi's utility and drive innovation. This is about building a real, tangible value for the Pi coin through a thriving ecosystem of useful apps. It's an exciting time to be part of the Pi community. The tools are getting better, the platform is becoming more robust, and the opportunities are growing every day. What do you think about these updates? Are you excited to try building your own app with the new AI tools? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to answer any questions you might have. What kind of app would you create for the Pi ecosystem? And if you found this update helpful, please do me a huge favor. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you smash that bell button so you never miss a real-time update from me. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you the latest news. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video.